Hi, what's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Rumela, and in today's video I'm going to share with you guys some Nykaa recommendations. Now Nykaa is running their Pink Friday sale. It is live from today until the 28th of November, and there are lots of brands and they are on really great discounts. So I thought it would be a great time to share with you guys the products that I use and the products that have worked really well for me, and it's the perfect time to grab all of these products on discount during the Nykaa sale. So I'm going to recommend top 5 skincare products and top 5 makeup products. So this is the part 1 of the video where I share my top 5 skincare products, and then I'll share the makeup products in another video that will be up by tomorrow. Also, in the video I'm only going to recommend products that are on discounts by themselves. Now I use a lot of Minimalist and Derma Co products and I really love them, but I did not want to include those in this video because both these brands have buy 2 get 1 offer. So you'll essentially have to buy like 3 products from the brand to get the discount, but all of the products that I'm going to recommend in today's video, these are on discount by themselves. So even if you buy a single product, you can get discount. So I'm only going to recommend those products because otherwise the video does not make sense, right? So yeah, that is all I had to say. Without making the intro any more longer, let's get started. So the first product that I want to recommend to you guys is a toner, and it is by the brand Face Shop. It is the Chia Seed Toner. Now I have it in the mini version, but I absolutely love this, and honestly I use this only on special occasions because it makes my skin look so beautiful, so beautiful. I never thought a toner would bring such a beautiful glow to my skin. This is kind of like a thin serum and not one of those watery toners that you usually use. This is a very hydrating toner. So if you are from the dry to normal to dry skin type, you will love this toner so much. This literally makes my skin glow and makes it look polished, and it just hydrates my skin. This is such a beautiful toner, and I use this on days when I've not done my skincare and my skin looks dry and dull, or when I have special events. I use this 2 days before the event, and this makes my skin look so beautiful. I absolutely love this toner. The only reason I did not go for the full size of this toner is because it's super expensive. It's somewhere around 1,500 to 1,700. I think it's 1,500, yeah. So that's super expensive for a toner, but in the sale you can get it somewhere around 1,200. I will leave all the prices on the screen so that you guys know what the actual prices are, but yeah, this is an amazing toner. If you can go for the full size, definitely do. I use this very sparingly, but this makes my skin look so beautiful, so beautiful. I've talked about this multiple times in my videos, and I absolutely love this toner. Next product that I want to recommend to you guys is the Simple Replenishing Rich Moisturizer. Now this is the rich variant, which is meant for normal to dry skin, but they also have a light moisturizer that is meant for oily skin type. So if you are from the oily skin type, you can check that one out. But these moisturizers are so good. They hydrate the skin so beautifully. They don't have any nasty chemicals, no perfume, no color, no harsh chemicals, no alcohol, no animal derived ingredients, nothing of that sort. It is a clean brand. So if you are someone who has super sensitive, super dry skin, and if you are just someone who does not like a lot of chemicals in their skincare products, then you can definitely try this one out. Now this is not super expensive, but you can definitely grab this at a great deal during the sale, and that is why I wanted to recommend this to you guys. I love this moisturizer. I usually use this in the night time because that is when I need like hydration, but this is not oily at all. So if you are someone from the normal skin type and you like a hydrating moisturizer but you don't like that oily feeling, then this is the moisturizer for you. I also like the Cetaphil one. I used that one before this, so you can go for the Cetaphil one or the Simple one. Both are amazing. So the next product that I want to recommend to you guys is something that is literally changed my skin in a few uses only, and it is the Cosrx Advanced Stale Mucin Power Essence. Now again, this is expensive, and I would recommend this because this is an essence, it's not a toner. So you would like literally need the tiniest amount of this, and it does hydrate your skin. Again, this is for oily acne prone skin but also dry skin. Okay, I have normal to dry skin type, and this does make my skin look so nice and healthy and beautiful beautiful and glowy and glossy and just everything beautiful. If you want your skin to look beautiful, then definitely check this out. If you are someone who suffers from acne scars and marks, and you have like a lot of irritation on your skin, then definitely try this out. This helps to calm down the irritation. It helps to calm the skin down. If you have like cuts and burns, or if you you know, suffer from razor bumps, and if you just have acne in general and you have like painful acne, you can use this to soothe and calm your skin down, and this definitely does the job. I absolutely love this. It makes your skin look really nice and hydrated and glossy and plump and just everything beautiful. Even though this is kind of expensive, it is somewhere around 1,500, I would definitely recommend this because it is 100% worth your money. And it's not like the toner. For the toner you will have to use a certain amount, and only then you can cover your whole face because it is kind of watery. But this is very thick. It is like a serum. It is even thicker than your regular serum, so you need just the tiniest amount. This whole bottle will last you probably like 6 to 8 months, usse bhi zyada. I've been using this for, me and my sister, we both have been using this for more than 3-4 months. I don't use it every single day, but she uses this a lot, and I use it beech mein wherever I feel my skin is not the best. And itna hi khatam hua hai, so you guys can see how much this product will last, and that is why I think it is 100% worth the money. The next product that I have here is the Dr. Sheth's Centella and Niacinamide Serum. Now this is something that I've used very sparingly, not that much, but this is meant for acne spots, acne marks and all of that. And this is what my sister uses. Aisha has been suffering from a lot of acne and acne marks recently, and she had a very bad breakout you know, in the past 3-4 months, and this is what she used to cure her acne marks, and her acne marks and scars have reduced a lot, and she absolutely loves this. I also did use this on my acne. Now I have been using retinoids thoda, and I've been getting chote bumps here and there, and that is what I use this. I use this like as a spot treatment, and this did I don't know, now I've applied makeup so you won't be able to see it, but this does you know, help lighten the marks, and it helps with majorly helps with acne scarring and acne in general. So you can use this. Centella helps to calm your acne down, and niacinamide helps with reducing the acne and acne marks. So if you are someone who suffers from acne prone skin, this is amazing. Again, this is on a great discount at the Nykaa sale, so you can definitely grab this. This has 10% niacinamide, 1% zinc and 0.1% sodium hyaluronate. So this is really calming, soothing, and at the same time it will also help treat your acne, so definitely grab this. So the last product that I have here is the Earth Rhythm face mask in the variant Smooth Skin. Now this one has natural AHAs. It has bilberry, sugarcane and sugar maple, and these are natural AHAs. AHAs help to gently exfoliate your skin. So since this is a face mask, it is great for someone who wants to begin AHA in their skincare routine, who wants to get into the chemical exfoliation routine. If you are someone, then you definitely have to try this one. This really, you know, it gently exfoliates the skin, and since this is a mask, you won't have to worry about irritation as well. Since this has natural AHAs, it will gently exfoliate your skin, but there will be no irritation. So if you are someone who has super sensitive skin, who's scared of you know, including AHAs in their skincare routine, you can start with this, and this it just does the job, man. It you know, once you apply this face mask and you remove it after 20 minutes, you will definitely see your skin has been brightened and there's a natural glow on the skin, and this is like such a beautiful face mask. The first you know, when I got this from the Earth Rhythm ka website, it was the seal was broken, okay, so I was kind of skeptical ki acha hoga nahi hoga, I don't know, they've just sent the product. I did, you know, face some delivery issues when I ordered from the website, but that's another story altogether. So I was like really you know, not wanting to just try this product because you know, the whole delivery process and everything was so bad for me, like the whole experience was really bad, that I didn't want to try the product. But oh my god, this product is amazing. Now if you have like dull, dehydrated skin, and you know, ऐसे काफ़ी टाइम से स्किन केयर नहीं किया है, 2-3 हफ्तों से you haven't done any skin care and your skin just feels so dead, you just need to apply this face mask and it will revive your skin instantly. Like that's what happened. I've been keeping unwell since the past few days, and you know, I was very you know, on and off with my skincare routine, and this face mask really saved me. Now I just use this once a week. I've used this 3 times only, and oh my god, this has worked beautifully for me. I are someone who has been looking for a good face mask that helps to brighten and, you know, just detan your skin and would gently exfoliate your skin without any irritation and all of that. If you're just looking for a good face mask that will brighten your skin instantly, then this is the face mask. So that is it for the video, guys. Those were all the skincare recommendations that I had for you guys. I hope you guys found the video helpful. If you did, then don't forget to hit the like button down below, and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'll see you guys super soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye.